all you Smith Racing fans. This is Charles. You can't tell I'm inside. I'm in sunny Florida at Plant High School, and we're going to show you today how to do quick release on our riggers. Very popular option we have. First step, put the cams straight up and down. Second step, thread the sternmost in the slot. Place the front two in the hole, slide it in place, lock it down, and your rigger is done. Now, one thing you need to know is on these cams, you have on the side a little plus and a minus side. The minus should be to the outside of the rigger, the plus should be the inside. Over time, when the plastic wears out a little bit, over a few years, you can take these apart, turn them around, put them back down, and they'll be snug again. So there's your little tip for your quick release system, and that's how you do your quick release rigger. Thanks, have a good day.